Yo, what's up? This is an Simpson Greymind here, and I'm here to show you my Pyrocystis fusiformis, which I put under the microscope. Pyrocystis fusiformis is an bioluminescent algae which my girlfriend bought me for Christmas, and they are showing its light under mechanical stress, and I was trying also put off the light of the microscope and trying to somehow stress them by touching the cover slide, but it didn't do anything. If you know some methods how to make them shiny under the microscope, please tell me. I was thinking about a method that I will not use the cover slide and use some tools to touch them directly, but this is not something about what I was thinking while I was observing this. And this is everything what I can show you now. Enjoy! thank you for watching, and you can leave like, subscribe and so on, and see ya later.